go, neck, go, neck, yana neck, go, neck, no neck, yana neck, yana neck, yana 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 necko, 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 neck, necko, neck, 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 necko, necko, neck, 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 necko. Necko, necko, neck, and the neck, necko, necko, neck, the neck, neck, the necko, necko, neck, the neck, neck, the neck, neck, necko, necko, neck, neck, necko, necko. Necko, 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 neck, 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 the necko, 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 neck, 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 the necko, 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 neck, 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 the necko, 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 necko. Necko, necko, neck, the neck, neck, necko, neck, the neck, neck, the neck, neck, necko, 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 necko. Necko, 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 neck, the neck, neck, the necko, necko, neck, the neck, 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 the necko, 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 necko. Necko, 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 neck, the neck, neck, the necko, necko, neck, 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 necko. Necko, 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 neck, neck, necko, 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 necko. Necko, 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 necko. Necko, 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 neck, 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 the neck, 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 necko, necko, neck, the neck, 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 the necko, necko, neck, necko, necko. Necko, necko. Necko, 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 necko. Necko, neck, then the neck, the neck, neck, the necko, necko, neck, the neck, neck, the neck, neck, necko, necko, necko. Necko, necko. Necko, 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 necko. Necko, necko, neck, the neck, 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 the necko, necko, necko. Necko, necko.
Hey everybody, it might be a rough night tonight. I'm gonna be programming, but my daughter has been kind of like, woo-wee. Let me tell you, she has been all wound up. She must be too tired. She's too tired. You know, when the kids get too tired to sleep, they're just grumpy. That's her right now. That's her right now. So yeah, I'll be programming a bit today. I was thinking about doing another clip, but I'm just like, I'm tired too. I went to the pool. We went to the pool today. It's best time to do programming is when you're really tired. So I was thinking, several of these. Howdy doody. Freaking hurts. It hurts, don't it? Should I get out of my own way? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Let's turn on some tunes. Oh, so tired. Let's crack open one. Got this. Here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's still making tons of noise. Oh, I almost like didn't stream today because of it. Pretty wound up. So I was thinking like for this one program that I got, one of them's like sorting the JSON files, the messages, so to speak. It's gonna call chat JSON utils. Heyo. Is that like a fucking chat badge? What the fuck is this? I don't know what that is. It's probably just me messing around. I don't even know. What is it? What's this? Chat JSON. So I'll probably have like a chat JSON type like in here it will have like it'll be like its own like thing. So yeah. 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 Oh man. So I was thinking about doing like I don't know. Okay, this is what I'm thinking of doing. It's gonna be my next issue. Let me pull up a JSON. Do I have a JSON in here? I can just pull one up somewhere. No. Like for this Mari Mari EN one. All right. In here. In here. In here. We got like message like what is this? These are URLs, right? I don't know what this is exactly. They just have like these ID numbers and stuff on them. Oh, hello. But paste and go. It'll do that, right? So I was thinking about making a, it's like, how do you know, like, we know Philly love. I wonder if there's like a way to like sort through this and find out like, see there's Vidal wave on there. But like, how do you know like where do these like emotes come from, right? Badges, that's a badge. Badges, author badges. Annual recap, cooked. Where's that? Where's that at? Philly 10. Images. Philly love. Name Philly 10. Whatever this is, right? Like, how do we know like what Philly is, right? Locations. What is this? Oh, that's like the words, right? That's kind of convenient. Philly love. How do they know like where these emotes come from? I was thinking about like trying to save them as like as the name and then like putting them in a file somewhere. But holy shit, like this could get like huge. So I was thinking like, hey, maybe we can like separate them out by like whose they are. Right. Like who's like did it come from Philly? Like I know Philly. Is there like a way to find like the most common Philly 10? Like mine, for me, let's look at mine. Twitch. Dashboard creator. And when we go to like, I think it's content? No. Bits and cheering? No. Community? No. I just want to see what mine is. It's not like ultra D or anything like that. It's like emotes. Like there, it's saved as like how's it saved as? Where is it at? Meow. Okay, what's it saved as? Bonus animated emotes. I need more of these. It's saved. Oh, it's saved as Ultra D24. So Philly is like FILLY. It's 5, right? This is like Ultra is 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. I don't know what the algorithm would be. Like Henya, Henya, I guess if like if you get like partner or something like that, like you'll get like a 5-letter one or something. I don't know. I don't know how that goes. Mine's 8 emix, and I can't change it. I can't change it. Ultra D. It would have been funny if it was like Ultra Deer or Ultra Deary, D-E-R-E. That'd be funny. So, is there something in common with these? Like 8? No. I just wish I knew how they stored it in their own thing. This is their ID, right? This is like this ID. This is pulled from a database, right? And so they have like a personal ID for each one. And yeah, but I guess like Philly 10's in there. That's what they use for that other stuff. But I was hoping to like, I don't want to use a fucking database myself. That's fucking dumb. It's not dumb actually, but I just don't want to. I don't even have a database set up. I don't even want to fucking deal with it. It's like another freaking headache. Okay. All right. I guess I could try to find like a. I was thinking about like maybe I could find out like what algorithm would I make to find out the most amount of like letters that are the most common, the maximum amount of letters that you can get with the maximum amount of messages in the messages that are the same. Yeah. But that could be tough. Like finding the second maximum amount would be like super tough, right? Huh. Well, okay. What am I fucking thinking? Let's say like, even if I get like 200. Okay, let's say I get 200 like different VTubers or whatnot, or 200 different like streamers. What's the max amount of emotes they got? How much? What's the max amount of emotes? Mine's like very little. Let's look at like Dr. Phil's. I'm sure she has like a ton. Her and Henya. Let's go back to Twitch. I think Phillian has more than Henya. Okay, let's just go to Henya.
Yeah,
All right,
like
let's pause this. I don't want to like ruin her stream. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And then like shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crap. I'm gonna use my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just past the freaking. Oh gosh. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. IQ 99's next. That's 21, right? Past the crying Henya. Shit. Oh shit. Is it past the crying Henya? Yeah, that was 21, so just past the crying Henya. 22, 23, 24 times 5. Whatever that number is. I can't think. I'm like freaking. I should know this. Why couldn't she have one more line? 121. Let's try Phillian's chat. I don't know if I can be in that chat. I think you might have to be like a member. Oh, you don't? All right. Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, past the blue. 14, past the flower in here. 21, past that, whatever that is. 22, 23. Oh. So, where did that calculator go? Did I just close it? It was like 120. Okay, 121. So maybe they got like 120, right? And let's say I got like 20 different VTubers. It'll all be in alphabetical order. So, or I can like sort it by like, by the first letter. So it can be faster to find. So I don't have to like scan through all of them, right? Or maybe I could do like the first like 3 letters. It'll be even faster to find. Yeah. Because I was thinking about storing them by their name. All right. Calculator. Calculator. Yeah, of course I closed it. It's like 120 times 200. That's only like 24,000 images and or GIFs. I doubt like I'll have like that much. I think this is doable. I'll save it by like the first, like, I'll save it by the first 5 letters. Right? Ooh, maybe who has a shorter one? Let's see if like, who's the biggest one of them all? Zach? No, he doesn't have. Who's the biggest one I follow? Hino Bobina. Hino Bobina is the biggest person I follow. I guess like that'll be like Iron Mouse, right? Let's look at hers.
I'm not.
Videos. I don't know how to check, see like what her things are. Let's go to chat. So she has like this one. Iron Mouse Rave. Oh, it's, oh my gosh. It's huge. Iron Mouse Rave. Huh. What's Lucy's? Lucy PYD. Your Mari Fillion collab video was great, man. Who'd have thought Mari's voice would suit Fillion's model? Dude, I couldn't tell like who was talking at times, because their voices are so similar at that time. I don't know if it was because like Fillion was having a cold, and so she was like a little like not as hyper. Yeah. I think I'm going to sort it by what about Hexa? What's hers? Chat. What is this? Has she fucking streamed in a while? Hexa is... Yeah, it did get... Like one of them I was like zoomed it in on Fillion, and then like Mari like interrupted her and said like Haktua, and I was like, wait a second, was that her? Was that? I was like looking at, I was just checking it later on. I usually watch my clip like right after I post it, usually. And I was like, who was that? And it was Mari Mari. But I thought it was yeah. Yeah, I got all confused on that. All confused. I was almost gonna work on another one. I was thinking about it. What is this? Changes. What did I change? Ah. Ah. Ooh. I might do like something kind of similar that they do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna save it by the first 4 letters because I don't know if there's anybody like less numbers. I think that's how I'm gonna save it. Because I don't know if these links are gonna be viable later on. Who knows? Who knows? And it'll be nice to get like 7 TV in there too, and that'd be cool. I'd have to like figure that out someday. I wonder if I should like create like another one. I don't know. Maybe it'll be like in here. It'll be like a sub thing. YouTube JSON. Okay. I think what I need to do yeah. Huh. Let me look up Pippa. Pippa has like I do a lot of Pippa, so and she does like YouTube. Let me see what the YouTube stuff looks like. I wonder if that last stream of hers got unarchived. I got hit. I got hit. What'd it say? Okay, so it's underscore Pip. Pippa stare. What the fuck is this? Oh, it doesn't tell you where it's at. Search terms? What the fuck? Okay. Nice. PPPPP. Name at Sonap. Oh. Interesting. She's not wrong. Little gay boy 45. Nice. So I think search terms rolling on the floor laughing. What the fuck are these? What is this? Oh, this is like a YouTube. Okay, check this out. This is interesting. Oh, this is an emote. All right. I'm not emote. This is emoji. So they give you the things to the emojis. Huh. That's interesting. So what are we programming today? I am programming a thing, this chat.json, this chat.json.go. I'm wanting to, for each message, I want it to be able to like return an emote. So like there's these things called image. I think it's a dot image. Like it's a image dot. There's a package called image, and I wanted to return like one of the, I think it's a typed image. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I wanted to return that with the name of the thing. And so then I can be able to print it, or draw it. Is this Python? No, this is a Golang. Golang. They love it when you call it Golang. Rob Pike loves it when you call it Golang. Standard library. It's part of the standard library. I didn't want to use a database, so like I was wanting to, I don't even know if I can just like download it directly. Alpha import image. I don't want PNG. I just want image. Index overview types. These are different types. Type alpha. Interesting. I've done a little Python, but mostly C++ when I was in robotics. Yeah. I've made some C++ libraries. Mostly for like little robotics things, because I like Arduino. So like I'd have to like make my own library or whatnot. This is so weird. Standard library image. Let's go here. Color. Okay, the image interface. So type in image interface. Yeah, we just use the Vex library for our code. Yeah, I really like Arduino. Like they're like whole setup just fucking makes everything so easy. I tried using like another one. Who was it? I can't remember exactly who makes it up. I'd have to pull out the microcontroller, like microcontroller developer kit. But yeah, like I could type in my name and like my actual name, and like the library will come up. Vex Robotics competition. Robotics. Oh, look at that. What are these things? This like looks way too fucking complicated. What are these? This is like for school or something? Oh, these are for ages. Okay. Uni. Depending on your grade. I see. I just like Arduino. Arduino. Their IDE and shit are great. Woo. For pros. Look at that wood panel destacker. I think like okay, what's it called? Marlin for 3D printing printer firmware. I don't know if that's like done in Arduino or not. The game changes each year. I was in a vaccinator robots that would play games against each other with remotes. Nice. It's fucking crazy, like how much like stuff that is out there, and you realize like the stuff that you do is like build on top of code, on top of code, on top of code. Even like the simplest things, like just printing to the screen, right? Like to my monitor here. There's so much underlying code on there you just take for granted. Like design some firmware for like an LED screen, like and you got to get all the timings right so it prints to it correctly, and you're just like, you gotta like, and then you have like some instruction manual on it. I knew somebody that like in our engineering class, they had to like create drivers just to talk to this LED screen. Auto period that you're programming beforehand to fight against other code, making like chess. Yeah, I just like building things. Freaking my like go-to Arduino that I still use. And it's like the stupidest, simplest one, right? What is like all this shit for makers? All right. It's like I don't know if it's the original one. Discover products. It's that one right there. All right. The Uno, baby. It's the goat. Yeah. The Uno is the goat. What's nice about this, like, you don't have to like, it has like a, you don't have to worry about the power too much. So you can feed it like, I think you can, how much power can you feed it? Input voltage can be 9 to 24 volts. So you don't have to like worry about stepping it down from like a power source, which is kind of nice. So that's why I use it. So the circuit operating voltage, like you have to have 5 volts on it, like going in and out of these things. But yeah, you don't have to worry about giving it too much voltage in the input, the VN. Oh yeah. That's why I like this one. Some of like the other ones, you have to like worry about that. How much power you give it. Let's see what this Nano says. You might have to step it down. Like, where's the VN? Give me the VN. Meow. Oh, has this is 21 volts too. Nice. Yeah, I was big in a program back then. C++. I think I got this one. I got like one of these like higher end ones, and I got it because like I thought it was gonna be. I thought I might need it because I needed like some higher precision like readings. And it would do like it would do higher percentage readings, but I never fucking end up using it. It was kind of expensive too, because I got the actual like Arduino. Might still be under here. Fucking, I use the Nano like to control like fans. Do more art and editing now. Yeah, editing's a lot like programming. It's a lot like programming. So I think here I have this shit. I think I want to have like Messenger. I'm going to create another thing. Chat JSON. No, not there. I thought it was here. Why can't I just like... Okay, there we go. I'm going to put like emote. A piano cat meme with speakers. Package, chat, JSON. I don't know what to import. We're going to make a type interface. Type. Took a minute. Emote interface. Why is this underlined here? Interface can... Okay, so this will return like... Okay, this will return... something. I'm just gonna have this return like name. Ooh, yeah. Name, and then there'll be like a string, and then image, and this will be an image dot image. Oh, come on. Import. What is this? Putting the value for each firstly took a minute. Image interface. What is this? Oh, I had uppercase. All right, so image, image. There we go. Okay, what does it say? Is unused? Yeah, it's unused. Huh. I'm kind of running to a headache. Okay. Emoter. They tell you like add like a into it because it's a doer. It does stuff. I don't think this is enough because like because the thing is like this will like return like there can be multiple images like in a thing. So yeah. But that's just one emote, right? Okay. Okay. And then what I want here each one of these has to have its own thing. Yeah. All right. I guess I want to have something that gives like a list of it. Okay. All right. So I think I want to have it like make its own list. Okay. So this message will have most. Okay. Okay. So I think like, emoters, type, emotes, interface. And then I want to have it return like emotes. Ooh, it can't be that. Have a name like emotes. And then it returns a thing of emoters. A slice of emoters. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so, but then I'm going to have like another type. I don't even know if I need that. Yeah, because the name is going to be like, they have a name for these things. It'll be interesting to know, like for the Pippa one. Is the Pippa one in here? Did I close it? Yeah, rolling on the floor laughing. Do they have anything else like that? No to emote? Not emoji. Control F. Ooh. That's nice. Hey, Daryl. Hey, Daryl. Daryl. Create feed. I think I need to consider like emojis something too. There'll be. What is this? I don't give a shit. All right. I don't have like, oh. Okay. Yeah. So YouTube JSON. So this is a message. It returns a string, the name of the messages. Get all emote links. I don't know if I need that. Emote names. I think that'll be smarter. I think this will be smarter. What are your thoughts on green screening versus backgrounds overlaying like what you have? I mean, like sometimes you're forced to do green screening, right? There's no way around it. You green screen your model. A lot of times, like, okay, like I was noticing this as I was making the thumbs for Fillion. Like, are you do you also do you have a VTuber model? Like, do you stream or whatnot? Uh-huh. I see. With model background, use OBS and all that shit. Okay, I'm gonna go to your channel. Are you fine with that? Hey, what's up? You fine with me going to your channel, Crozo? Ah, Crozo 45. Where are you at? There you are. I'm clicking on it. All right, so here you are on this.
Hello guys, what up? Welcome to another.
It's not too bad. So you're like, it's not a 3D model. You got yourself like a 2D model. You use VTube Studio? Okay, so VTube Studio, you got, this is my background, right? And like I use, and Pippa said this on the stream the other day. It's the same as my logo. All right, so go to like go to the settings. Now this is a plugin you have to get. Plugins and permissions. You'll need to get, not that. You need to get, meow, 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 meow. You need to get something called Sprout. It might already be here. So, editor, microphone use, blah, 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 Twitch settings. Sprout is like less CPU intrusive. Like it's not as expensive to use for it. I thought there's a thing that said Sprout in here. It's not this. I don't think it's this. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, there it is. So activate Sprout on here with vBridger. Infinite cat window. Heck yeah, baby. vBridger. That's vBridger. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got that. I was thinking about like redrawing all my stuff, making it all shitty, so I could kind of make it my own. Because there is a license on this, on the cat that I'm using here, and I wanted to kind of like make my own, and then I wanted to be able to like do different faces, because like it's pretty much just like open closed mouth. Yeah. So there's like virtual webcam and like activate Sprout. There might be a thing in vBridger. I don't know. I don't know if vBridger will output something else. Or maybe it's like an in between like your camera and this. I assumed vBridger basically what the fuck's going on here? This is driving me crazy. Like, what the fuck, dude? Yeah. I can't see anything because it's black. Yeah, whatever. I can't even fucking close it here. We're going black. So, I'm not familiar with vBridger. I don't. Does it output your video? Where are you grabbing your feed? Like your actual. Where are you grabbing from VTube Studio? Your model? Yeah. See, I just grabbed this. Swat your ears and paws. Yeah. Lick myself. I get to lick my ass on on stream. And you all have to fucking watch it. Yeah, I can't even fucking, I don't even know what the fuck's going on here. Okay. I'm black, y'all. I'm gone fucking dark. Can I just... Oh, I can't exit Steam. It'll fucking kill my stream. It'll kill my thing. Well, here, let me show you like VTube Studio. So I don't know anything about that. Cancel. Change background. Here they got a background. You can do like color picker. Select. And then you hit transparent. Bam. I use this one. And when I go into like my sources, VTube capture, so properties, opaque. I don't know what that is. I just hit default. Pull time, new senders. I mean, we can do like fast. There we go. Yeah, so like all VTube Studio, like you can't see my background because in here in the color picker, you can have a transparent capture. And that's why it's like that. And like, but it's not too transparent, because if you go like, if you look like really close, and I choose this color on purpose because it's very close to like mine. But if I change my color to like green, like as my background, like green itself, see that green that it highlights me? Yeah. So I don't like that. So that's why I made it like this. I made it kind of close to my skin. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah. Kind of close to it. It's not like perfect, but yeah. That's that, Mr. That's that. Like, I'm not seeing the green in yours. So you got that going for it. I was thinking about playing Uma Musume earlier today, but I didn't. Create feed. Brings up the messages. String. Get all email links, emote names. I think I want to do that. We're going to do that. Anti-aliasing. Yeah, I want to like redraw all my stuff. Hell yeah. And then like redo my face. Redo my face. Maybe put me in the arms of something. I was thinking about connecting my ears to my smile. Like, I have my whiskers connected to it. The thing is, if I connect my ears to my smile, then like the random like ear shakes and stuff will go away. Streamlabs. I'm a purist here. OBS all the way. Oh. Cool tip. If you use Streamlabs instead of OBS, it comes Sprout. Yeah, you gotta like, OBS has like some sort of, it's like a it's a freaking frack. It's a freaking plugin. What's this? Okay, it gets emotes. Emote names. Does it even use this? Huh. Emote. Emote images. Images. Image. There we go. All right. Back to pushing the limits of CapCut, because why not? Aha. So I think I was putting emote names. I got emote links. I think I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna delete these because fuck them. Yeah. We're gonna delete this and just go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Hello. Tyrantrum. Auto replay. Oh, I always forget about clips. Okay, so emote images. We're gonna do this all on this end. All right, so Twitch. These are gonna have their own. So funk m message emote images. Image dot image. Images. I don't know if I have to have like a bracket around it. I can't remember. Image looks weird. Expected type argument list. What? Maybe I gotta do this. There we go. I put it there. There we go, laddie. This is gonna be fun. Missing return. Just hit return. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna use AI. Can I retrieve files from link and go. Lang. What the fuck is this? Download file. Oh, HTTP up get. What the fuck is this? We might have to do like a test program with it. All right. M dot message M dot string time in seconds. Emote images. Wait a second, that's that. That'd be recursive. Get all emote links. What song is this from? Warhammer 40,000. The Light of Imperium. I think I need to have a function that searches if I have it already Oh my gosh, this just got like way more complicated. Image storage. That go. Type package. TW chat. Funk. Something. Check for location. I think I'm just gonna like kind of type it out. So I'm gonna make like a global save area. Type. Let me see. Const. Save area equals. I don't know. We'll do like tilde slash dot. Fuck. Tilde slash dot local slash chat. We'll call it like chat JSON slash TW chat. There we go. We'll put a forward slash. We'll just do that. All right. So and then this will take like a. Should I put it like in this? I don't know if I should just. I think we'll just take the mdet message. Or no, we'll take like the. We'll take the image, the type emote struct. So yeah, that's what we'll do. X emote. And then bool. Okay. OS dot is exist. What is this? An argument is known in a report file what or directory already exists is satisfied by ER exists as well as some recall errors. So here I'm gonna put like a I want to double check something. Meow, 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 meow. Because like I want to comment this correctly. What the fuck? Debug image. What the fuck is this shit? I thought this was going to be the repository. That is a repository. So I guess like, okay, so you could put like go authors. You could put like comments in the beginning. So I'm going to put some comments in the beginning. Image storage will save images where the constant is. This could change. Currently saves images where the constant is. With subdirectories sorting the images by the first 4 letters of their name. All right. I think I'm going to put this in there. There we go. I think I should call this like chat utils. There we go, like that. Chat JSON utils / chat JSON / TW chat. There we go. So I think this is redundant because if I put that in there and checks if it exists, it's yes. So I'm going to be like, okay. I'm going to do like the full thing on this. So we got the emote. We're going to check the first 4 things. Let me do this. There we go. Oh, it automatically put the 2 forward slashes on there. Thank you very much. So we'll be like get images, I guess. Get images. All right, so this is gonna do the whole fucking kit and caboodle. Its function is gonna be out of this world. So, and it's gonna return like I want it to return image.images. So this is gonna return image.images. Yeah. So in a bool. Or some, it probably doesn't even need that, actually. Probably doesn't need that bool. We'll figure it out. So let's first check this. We're going to check to see if it's in storage. So x dot images dot what? Locations. X dot name. This is going to return just one image. IMG. There we go. Name dot. Name returns a string. Okay. What is this? Fuck off. Strings dot. Okay. To upper, what the fuck? Split. Split after. Oh, okay. Oh, no. I thought that would be like, what's this cut? Separation string? No, I want to do it like after a certain number. Split. Separation string. Split in. N is greater than 0. At most, n substrings, the last substring will be the unsplit remainder. N is equivalent to 0. That results in nil. What? Let's go to this fucking thing. I am not like 100% sure what this does. Yay! I love looking at libraries. We don't need string conversion. What is this representation string? Into substrings after each instance of the separation returns a slice of the substrings. Okay. What's the comma? There's not going to be no commas. Sequence. No. I just wanted to get like the first 4 numbers. Is this too hard to ask for? Because you can cut it. Cut prefix. Cut. Count. I don't even need to split it. Get the first 4 characters from a string and go. Man, I feel my fucking brain just dying here. Oh my gosh. You gotta be shitting me. Do I want to be like SDR? Okay. Yay. Okay. Name. I should have fucking known this. Okay, so I'm like the worst at this. So let's get like a directory. Subdirect. And then we'll just like do this. Save area. Plus. And I'm just going to add this here. And then we're going to put this in here. There we go. Oh. It takes an error. Let's create OS file. Let's go to the OS thing. OS package. You can tell how rusty I am. Let's duplicate the shit. Duplicate. Go back. Go back. Should we do IO? IO util. Read all, read directory. Oh, these are all depreciated. Oh, fuck. Fuck you. It's either an IO or OS. Well, great. IO, read full. All right, let's go to OS. Time to go to OS. HIJKOS. Is path. Is exist. Huh. Open file. Open call, most users will use open or create instead. If open, okay, let's try open. Name string. Open opens the file for reading. A successful method return can be used for reading if associated file depreciated. So, okay. New file. Creates a new file, giving the file descriptor. All right. Meow, meow, meow. So we got open and create. We're going to probably be using both of these. Okay, a successful method's return file can be used. Okay. Does it create the fucking... The file already exists, it's truncated. Let's do like a little thing here. We're gonna do OS open. There we go. And then like we're gonna do subdirect. All right. If it's not there, so file, comma, if not equal to now, os.create. Meow. This is pretty fucking. We do some other shit. Download the freaking thing. What do they say for this one? Blah, 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 blah. We did that one. Download file. This seems like too crazy. Net.http. What does it return? Okay, so let's go to like this here. Net.http. Yeah. We're going to duplicate this. I got like way too much of this, so let's close this. Bex robot. Oh yeah, that's right. Arduino. Installing Marlin. All right, so let's duplicate. Duplicate. All right. Okay. Let's go back. Was it net? LMNOP. Okay. What do they call that? Like get these nuts. Download file. Ooh. It's downloading it. This is exactly what I wanted to do. URL file name. Get. HTTP get. Shit. Get. Where's the get? Func get. It's not in alphabetical order. Is it enough? Nope. A, B, C, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. What the fuck? Did it just like make shit up? Oh, there it is. Get. Okay. Where's that get? Functions. Where's the get function? Oh my gosh, there's 14,000 of these things. Method get. There it is. Get. Get issues get. What does it return? A response. Ooh. Okay. Move permanently. Move permanently. Found. See other. Permanent redirect. I don't even know what you do with these things. What's a post? Read all. Do they even check for errors? Like, why do they fucking do this? Why do they close it? That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, that'll be fatal. Body. So this is the text. Body. Read all. If error, shit. HTTP colon dot get. Okay, x dot name images. Then of x dot images -1. There we go. So that will like, this should be like a string going to the thing. And I guess this will be like bdy comma error. bdy dot body. IO read closer. Body represents a response body. The response body is streamed by the band. The body of the read. Okay. Do I have to close it? I think it said like to close it here. So what's res? Oh, that's response. Okay, we'll call it response. Okay. Res. Why does this go on here? Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this because I'm lazy. Meow. There we go. And read all. I think it's in bytes, right? Okay, so okay, there's a way to like I guess we'll log it. Okay, so okay, this should be image data. IO dot read all. Yay! I'm just completely doing it exactly the same. Okay, IO read all. Res dot body. Does this take an error also? I can't remember. Yeah, it does. So it gives you the bytes. Let's check out what body is. Field body. All right, I'm not sure what this is. So index type functions. Type body. I'll pay you back with my body. Body. Holy shit. It's huge. It's a field. Response. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's IO read closer. Reader closer. Ah. All right. So image dot decode. Bam. What's the string? Oh. So it returns like a string. So what we're doing here is putting the res.body in there. Bam. So this will give us our image, right? Image. I don't know what this other one is. str, comma, Decode decodes an image that has been encoded in a register format. The string return is the format name used during the registration. Okay. Some of these might be GIFs, right? We don't know for sure. Oh, I think it's like on there. So like we can look like see like if it includes like GIF. Here, let's do like a find. Oh shit. There's no GIF or anything on here. Okay, this one has it. Like what's this though? Like what is this? Add chat item? Let's look at this. Whatever the fuck this is. Watch it be like heinous. YouTube heinous stuff. Okay, I think that's someone's fucking logo. Right? So, but when I click it, there, what does this give me? Save image as, it's a JPEG. Interesting. Interesting. How does it know it's a JPEG? I guess when you right click it, it serves it. Interesting. What's this? Copy. This is a PNG. That's what this is. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So some of them are not going to have like a .png. Let's look at another one. Fillion. So like hers. Oh. Oh yeah. There's definitely not any of that. Huh. That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm already tired. I am so tired. That's fucking interesting. But it makes my life like even bigger headache because I don't know what's going to be like a emote. Like what's going to return? Who the fuck knows? What is the string return? Hold on a second. That's the body. Oh. Let's have more fun with this. Is this Twitch? Image storage. Okay. So this body, who knows what the body? Body. That's just okay, so res dot header proto request status trailer. I'm gonna press cookies location right header string. What's proto? Oh, res dot trailer transfer encoding. What's this? Is not used. What? Huh. I was hoping like it'll have like the file. Okay, so this will be interesting. I'm doing way too much. Let's make a simple func. And we'll make like the put in here for whatever this is doing here. So it's opening it. We're gonna be checking like I want to just be able to like just get the like get the link, right? Get link. Or like get check link. And we'll take this will take a string. Ooh. Right. This will take a URL string. And yeah, it's going to do all this. And it's going to return. I wanted to return an image.image. So image.image. All right, so we're gonna do all this shit in here. I don't want to do like any like file thing. I just want to grab the stuff from the link. So we'll do all this stuff in there, and then I'm gonna test it to see if it works. Because there's no way I should do like all this shit here and like write this all out and not even know if this fucking works at all, right? It'll help with debugging and all that shit too. Maybe maybe I can return an error too. I don't know. We'll think about it here in a second. So let's just grab this. Bam. Okay. I'll be like get image from URL. There we go. And we will return okay. Let's put this down here. Expected this. Oh, it likes this shit. Let's copy this. This is going to get URL. There we go. And here it'd be like get image from URL. And this will just be like, damn. And we can return an image, but we're wanting to also save it. So we're going to grab it from here. Here we go. Where's X? Oh, yeah, there we go. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Okay, so this file, return. I call it subdirectory. I guess file location. There we go. Name. And this will just be plus x dot name. There we go. Bam. Okay, so why do I have like subdirectory? There we go. That's right. So file, I think that's like a OSF file. Defer file dot close. There we go. And then we're gonna just go ahead. I don't know if I don't know if it like creates one if there's an error. So we'll return mg, and here let's create. If error not equal to nil, log dot fatal defer file dot close. Let's just call it like new file. There we go. We'll call this file location. What is this? A string value and argument. What? It's a struct.image. Oh. Dot URL. There we go. This is a fatal, but I'm gonna, yeah, it's a fatal. So if I did like a return, it would just be like, I'm just gonna put the return nil there, just in case. I should put an error. Well, I should like just return it. But anyways, blah 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 blah. New file, defer, new file, close. It's an OS file. Like that's OS create. Okay, so image dot. I think I can like save these, right? I can save it as a PNG or whatever. Okay. And I think there's like a sub thing for images, like a sub thing, subdirectory. OS, where's the image? What is this shit? Unnamed pointer? What the fuck is this? Internal types. That's mine. I was thinking about working on my AI today. I will eventually. I would just have to start like having learning how to make AI in Python streams. So okay, OS. Wait a second. GitHub. Not GitHub. What's this GG? Okay. Strings. I thought it was in the image.image. Okay. Golang. Since I lost it. Standard library. Library. Where's the image thing? We have JPEG and PNG. And GIF. Hey, hey, hey. So we got these three things. Decoder, encoder. It might return like a file. Like, I don't know if it's going to return like... How do we check? I think I had like an issue with this. Ultra Derek, have you seen the floods everywhere? Not just Central Texas, but yeah, dude, it's fucking. I closed the pool today, and we have like a. This is like a semi-public pool. It's public to It's public to the to our neighborhood. So you have like dues and stuff like that. I was talking in this. I was thinking about posting it like on, but like shit was fell over. Yeah. So yeah, I'm like trying to pause stuff. Can I pause it? So that fell over. You see that thing there? And then there's one umbrella that fell over there. And then there's an umbrella right somewhere like right there. It's like can't really see it because I just like swooped past it. But there's like an umbrella. Ah! It's raining out. There's an umbrella like right there. Yeah, this is the neighborhood pool. It was raining down and like hit my back and all that shit. Freaking. Yeah, I had to get out of there. Yeah, as long as you pay your dues. And they didn't like increase the prices at all for like ever. And everybody was like pissed. It's pretty wet for July. It's pretty wet for July, and it was pretty wet for June. Yeah. I think our sump pump hasn't like stopped. Our sump pump hasn't stopped. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to like, I don't know if like, get images. Image dot. I think I need to like. I think I need to do like PNG. Yeah. How do I check like, I don't know exactly what's a PNG or whatnot. So like a lot of these like don't have like GIFs. So I guess I can have like a case thing. Let's have like a case thing. Yeah, I don't know. What am I doing? I'm writing a program that will like grab images from links. So like this YouTube, wait a second, like this Pippa, not all these are PNGs. Some of them are just like, have links, but they don't tell you what the file is. So I guess like, yeah, that one doesn't. That one doesn't. Let's see what this does. That one doesn't. I think that's like a pip cool. Yeah, so I don't know what that is. Pip cool. Copy. Paste and go. So it's this. Yeah. It'd be cool to upscale this shit too. Hell yeah. So that's what that gives. But I don't know if that's like a, like if I right click on this and save it, it tells me it's a PNG. Yeah. So I should save it as a PNG, but like, how do I figure that shit out? That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Image storage. So I need to do, I don't know how to do a case, like case, and then what do I do? Like, strings dot, I don't know. Contains. Oh, I can't do it here. So this will be like, yeah, I don't know what this is. So, oh, this is not what I want to do. It's here. Image.decode, IO reader. Decode decodes an image that has been encoded in a registered format. So I don't know. I don't know what the registered format is. What are the registered formats, bitch? Usually, like a GIF will not have a registered format. I want to look at that example. Is this typewriter? I don't know what this is. OS. Strings. IO. Did I fucking close that? Strings. Types internal. That's not too bad. So this is GIF. Decode. Oh. I guess it has GIF has an image. Okay. I just want to be able to save them. I don't know what the file. I don't know the file name. Okay, Golang. I keep on closing it. All right. Net. HTTP util. What is this? Server connection. I think I do need wait a second. There we go. How do I know the name of it? That's the question. That's the question. Gets a response. Read all. I'm confused. Okay, where's the IO? Strings, IO. Read all. Functions. Why do you have to close bytes? You know what I'm saying? So here, read all, io.read all. You got a body. Oh, res body close. Okay. All right. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. What the fuck is this thing? There it is. What am I in? Here's the thing. I don't know what's going to be a GIF or whatnot. Okay, decodes the image and encode the string returns. It's a format name used during the format registration. Format registration is typically done by init function. All right, so what I'm going to do is fmt.println str, and then like if air not equal to nil, we're still going to print that here. Actually, we're going to do that first here, no matter what. So, and then like we will do the panic error. Okay, log.fatal. Error. Where's the panic? Let's do this instead. So image, declare but not used. Okay, that's all good. Are we deferring that? Get URL. Res dot close. All right. Why do I have to? Okay. There we go. Image. All right. Let's try this. Can I make a main in here? I don't even know if I can. make a main in here. Problems. CD chat. CD TW. I'm gonna make a main in here just for funds. Package main. Would this get mad? How do I test this? Maybe I can make a test. No. I'm going to delete it. There we go. I don't think I have this right. This needs to be finished. All right. Okay, here, like image decode. Okay. Can I like right click this and be like, create a test. No test found. Image. URL. Okay, so can I make a test here? You used to be able to like click on it and be like test. All right. Problems. You're fucking a problem. Halo is not used. Create tests in Golang. Add a test. Now that you've gotten to code at a stable place, nicely done, by the way. Add a test. Testing your code can... Implement test functions in the there's like a file they have to make. Okay, so let's create a new file like get image from URL test.go. I don't know if I can do this on a different page, but yeah, so does it have to be public? Funk. Test. Get image URL. T start testing T. I don't know if I need this. I remember when they set this up, it was kind of like a pain in the ass to work around. Paste. Meow, meow, meow. I wonder if I can just do this. I just want to do like a quick test, right? Okay, so let's go terminal. Let's go back. There we go. Meow, 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 meow. Let's just grab this one. Wait a second. It doesn't really matter. I guess we can use like... Yeah, let's use this one. Wait a second. Wait a second. There's filling. Copy. Let's just see what this is. What the fuck? Okay, that's that. It's not a GIF. So, okay, we're gonna like test this one. There we go. And, meow. Oh yeah, we were in it. So all right. Test URL. There we go. And this here, I'm not really satisfied with it. So we'll do like imaging there. Imaging. I like to return it. Like, you don't necessarily need to have like you can have a return, but you don't have to have anything because I'm just putting everything in there anyway. Yeah. So let's copy this. And X. If X equals nil, fnt.println image was nil. So can I just do this? Missing return. Does it need a return? You used to be able to just run this and then like just run it. But now they had to make it complicated. It was really nice because you can have like you just be like add like, let me see if this works, and then like just have like something here like it. But now like they make it like so fucking complicated. Like how many like different use cases are you looking for? And it's just like, what the fuck, dude? Just wanting to test the function here. Just to start off, I don't need something fucking crazy. Do I need to like make this function like in a test? Like I got a test folder here. I guess I can just do that. Or I got a test like here. A main. And I guess I can do that here. And then switch it over. I don't want to have to fucking do this. I just want to test this one thing to see if it fucking works. Where's the return? Like, do I need a return? Is this saved? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's not saved. Oh. That wasn't saved? No test to run. Yay. Nice output. Yep, 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 yep. Fuck you. All right, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna just grab this. Bam. Copy. Fuck off. So I already did this. Let's put this here. There we go. And get image URL. I got this. We're just gonna grab this. Copy. And paste. MG. If MG equal L. MG is nil. Else, and then we'll just return. fmt.println img, and then I'll return. All right, so let's just run this main. Unknown format. All right. That's what I needed to know, bitch. Okay. That's not good. All right. Interesting. So this... Okay, so I don't know which one it is. So I got the error here. From right here. It even print the string. Interesting. So this here, I think I got it here, I think. It's this. Well, that's a crock of shit. Let's see if there's like any data on it, right? Like, I don't know if it has any data. So, res.body dot. Let's do like a io.read all. And this res.body that has a reader on it. So This gives me the bytes and error. So bytes, data, comma, error. If error not equal to null, panic error. Fmt.print ln data. All right. Let's see what the fuck happens here. There's some data. Look at that. 503. What? Wait a second. That's this. I think that happened last time. All right. Save. Let's run this again. Okay, there's no 503. All right. What's all these numbers? So there's data. We don't know what it is. Sniff. Sniff. Peek. What the fuck is this? As reader. Ass reader. Sniff. What are the formats? Atomic formats load. Ooh, atomic. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's not very big. It's not huge. Holy shit, did I just take up the whole screen on this? There we go. Let's get the length of the bytes. All right, so data length. I need a plus. There we go. What is this? Oh. It needs to be a string. Wait a second. Printf. All right. I think it's like %d. There we go. $15.06. How many bites it is? Bite this ass. That's interesting. How is it I can save this? Stupid. Show. I was hoping it'd tell me like the properties or something. Hmm. Oh yeah, baby. Well, that could be compressed, but it's a PNG. I don't know how much compression that is. Well, yeah. Res dot. Location. Okay, for server requests, URLs parse. I don't know what this does. I think it's like a database. I have no idea what this is. Like, okay. I know something's like a PNG. Let's grab one that's a PNG. All right. Okay, Control F. Let's see if this grabs it, right? Yeah, let's just grab this one. Okay. Unknown file format. What the fuck is a PNG? All right. Well, this is saved, right? Panic image file known. Printf. String says comma str. There we go. Image decode. So this doesn't work. You stupid son of a bitch. All right, so I guess PNGs don't work. PNG dot decode. Res dot body. Let's get rid of this. This will be image, comma, error. There we go. Unexpected in a file. Where was that? Ew. I guess, wait a second. Huh. I wonder that I have to use HTTPS. Do they got like an HTTPS? All right. Add a test. Add these nuts. That could be part of the problem, right? Maybe. Oh, wait a second. HTML. Net. Elemento net. Ooh. Huh? It does both. How did I not know? I mean, like it says that PNG decode. Decodes, it reads a PNG image from R. I should have got an image that image. Oh, I think it's because this read all. Let's get rid of this. I bet that's probably what it was. Data this dick. All right, hold on a second. There we go. There we go. It worked. Bam. Boom. Here's the thing, like, if you look at reader, if you look at the reader, like IO reader, what the interface does. So like types, closer, type reader interface returns int. So there's like a counter inside of it, right? Reader is interface that wraps a basic read method. Read reads up to lnp. Like you can't like read something like several times. So it'll read until it hits the end. It takes some p bytes. It actually fills it, I think, if I remember correctly. And it tells you like where's that? Read up to length p bytes into p. Returns the number of bytes 0 and the length of p with any error encountered. Even if read returns in length p, it will use all of p as scratch space during the call. If some data is available but not length p bytes, read conventionally returns what is available instead of waiting for more. Yeah. So I don't know if you can like reset it. I think you have to like reopen it. Like you got to create a new reader and go on from that. So yeah, actually, like I've actually made a reader before. That's why I kind of know like how it works, because like it's like a good like idea. Like if you work in Go, like IO reader is like, it is like a huge thing in Go. So it's kind of like good to like make a method. Is it a method? To make like a method that fits the IO reader interface if you are using memory. Yeah. Interesting. That's why it worked there. So this actually printed it. This is the image.image. Has all the bytes in there. So this is actually like, this is like raw data almost. Image.image. Here's the kicker. I just don't know why it didn't work for. Let's see if it does this. All right. There we go. So if this works, we're good in the. Well, if this works, at least we know it works with PNGs. The thing is, I will be like, I would have to figure out how to fucking get this to work. Which most of the images come from something like this. So, okay, this didn't like that. Right. String says panic. I should put like this here. So String says it was empty. It was empty. Excuse me. All right, so this does not work for that. All right. Here's the next one. So that was the PNG. No, wait a second. That's not the PNG. So what does this save as? It's a PNG, right? Interesting. Huh. All right. So we know this has a, that thing there is a PNG. So let's kill this. And then we'll bring this back. There we go. And we'll hide this. Control S, save. Let's see if this works. It did. It did. Nice. It's a pretty big file. Yeah. So I can like take this image, that image, and okay. I tried doing this before. It didn't really work very well. Because if it's like, I try to do it like, if it's not this format, do this format. If it's not this format, do this format. If you get errors, and it didn't really work very well back in the day. I thought it'd work like way better, but it didn't work very well. For some odd reason, like it didn't like doing that. Yeah. But most of these are gonna be PNGs. If they're GIFs, yeah. Let's find a GIF. So, like, it'll be like filling, right? So, meow, 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 meow. Here, that's Pippa. Meow, 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 meow. Shut the fuck up. All right, so how do we find out if it's a GIF? I guess like let's see if someone did like a Henya cheer. Henya cheer. Henya cheer dance. Okay, so this is definitely a. I just grabbed the whole quote. We'll copy this. And we'll bring it over here. Ooh. So I should have put like, I should have just made like a URL like this. Right? And then let's type in copy. URL like that. These other URLs. We can just like, yeah, do this. Copy. Paste. URL. Search fatigue. I am running into search fatigue. I think Primogen is right on search fatigue. I'm getting search fatigue mostly from like shopping online. I don't know what it is about shopping online, and they want you to search to fucking death. Like they want you like on their website like as much as possible, I guess. But like, it's becoming such a chore to shop and look for shit. It makes me want to just like kiss a double barrel, right? But like in computing stuff like this here, when I do this and I'm trying to find this shit, like this is search fatigue. Like what the fuck? So this is a GIF. You don't believe me? Let's look it up. Copy. Control V, enter. All right, click save image as, and this will save it as, oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. That's interesting. I've downloaded these before. It's a .0. All right, so we grabbed that 3.0 or something. What the fuck is that shit? Okay, so properties, image properties. Okay, I guess it's a GIF. All right, so PNG decode. Let's see what this says. All right, we're taking this in png.decode. It should throw an error. Not a PNG file. Well, thank you. All right. So if error not equal to nil, this is how I had it before. MG error 2 equals, and I can put like GIF dot decode and then res dot body, right? And then I can do like if error 2 not equal to nil, panic error 2, and then like there we go. So this one here, declare but not used. Yeah, I'd have to do like return image. There we go. Let's see what happens. Can't recognize what? I think this is a GIF. Okay, so what is this? Go. Paste. Okay. Going. What is this? Going fix JPEG bad. I'm trying to decode it. What I could do though, maybe I don't decode it. But how do I check if it's like if it's a GIF? I don't know the name of it. Body clothes. Decode all. Decode all reads a GIF image from R and turns to sequential frames. Maybe I need that. Decoder decodes. Yeah. I wonder if that's part of it. Let's do a decode all. What does this return? It returns like a star GIF. What is this? Pointer? Ooh. Okay. Let's make a new function. So GIF's like a completely different animal. Okay, so a lot of these are GIFs. Decode all. GIF. Giphy. There we go. This is just a hack. Let's make a new function. Func GIF test. And then we'll take a URL, right? And let's just do this actually. Let's not do this. Oh my gosh. It takes a reader. I see now. I see now. I wonder, let's try this. Res2 equals this. I hate this. I wish I could just copy the body again. My body. These are all like pointers. It's an IO close read closer, which is a pointer. Fuck. I hate this. I don't want to do like tons of like callbacks. I don't know if it's a callback, But I don't want to be hitting like, I'd rather just like take the data that in this response and then just like fucking save it somewhere. But if it takes a reader, an IO reader, right, like that, and this takes an IO reader. Here, let's just do this. Decode. All right, so res2.body. This would be like return diff and defer. Wait a second. Copy. Now I see why I had issues with it before. Kind of helps like talk this all out loud too. So it's kind of great streaming this because it forces me to talk out loud about what I'm doing. So this will be like error 2, I guess. I don't know. If error not equal to nil, panic. Let's just call this error 2. Error 2 not equal to nil. Panic error 2. There we go. This will be like IMG again. This will be error 3. Error 3. I just don't want to run into issues. Defer. Res2.body close. There we go. Decode res2 panic error. Okay. Return image. There we go. What is this here? Okay. I think I could delete this. Because I already check it here, right? If statements can be a bitch. All right, let's just test this. What'll happen? Oh. That worked. There we go. Bam. That's the GIF. Bam, 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 bam. Bingo was his name. I wish there was a way around this. Okay. I wish there was a way around this. And I wish that fucking format fucking thing worked. The image that decode. Image decode does not work. Doodah. Doesn't work with the PNG. Maybe it works with JPEG. I don't know. Most of them will be PNGs. Oh, it's 1:26. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I think I gotta like. I'm on to something. I'm on to something. Now I'm gonna be able to save those things, right? Because I'm able to pull these up. At least I know like this one will work. This one, they all work. Yeah. But I just don't like how it handles that. I wish I could copy this response. How do I guess I can take the data and then make a new reader out of it. Like a io dot copy. Copies source. The source of events writer. See, here's the thing. Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna still be getting into like. I think I just need to get the data and then like do like an IO bytes or something. I don't know, byte reader. So reads byte. Damn it. I got to see if there's like a function in there that I can get the bytes, and so then I can just copy it. You know what I'm saying? And then I don't have to worry about, and then I can wrap it in a reader as much as I want in like a new reader. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure there's some sort of function where I can do that. So I don't have to keep on calling that URL. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let me put this here. And I'm going to actually copy this here. So C to do. Find function that copies the bytes. The bytes from res.body. So I can make multiple readers if necessary. Yeah. Necessary. There we go. I'm going to copy this and bring it over here. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. What is it? Is it? It's over here. All right. So get image from URL. We're never going to test. You guys made it shitty. Test used to be fun. Now it's not. You used to be able to just like make a quick test your function. Now you have to do all this other shit. Makes it a lot harder. Yeah. All right. All right, I'm going to call it here. Yay! I'm not going to rate anybody. Y'all have a good one. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. One of these days, I'll get this program to work. Oh shit, I don't even know where it started. Skyrim 05 beats. I was on the last one. Oh yeah. So, okay, I'll be on tomorrow night. Hell yeah. And I might, I think I want to do some more programming. I think I'm kind of like on a roll on this. Like, it's not good to like do some programming and then like wait a week to do some more. You got to kind of like, you get in the mode, right? I should be able to like, I should like finish like the other stuff on this, but I'm just getting too tired. So, yeah, I'll be on later on. Y'all take it easy and stay out of trouble. Stay classy. San Diego. Bye-bye.